See. So, hello, Angelica. For joining
Hi.
me. Thank you so
you.
much. And you are joining me from?
I'm from Sweden. Yeah, I'm here in Stockholm.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much for responding to my call to talk about the mentorship program that I designed, and we started already in June. So I
Yeah.
would like to that you tell us a little bit about it, who you are, and why you joined in my mentorship workshop, and a little bit of your experience.
All right. So thank you for having me first off. And the mentorship, it was lovely. It was such a great experience. And we just spoke about it earlier that like maybe a lot of students come in and maybe they don't really know what to expect. But I'm taking Annabella's class for a year, dance theater as well as barretter. So I had a little hint of what was coming, but I was like so gladly surprised. It was so much more than I expected. And also because, you know, it's via Zoom and you don't really know what to expect because like you can't see each other in real life. But it was just such a great experience. And so we had such good connections with each other, like everyone in the different Zoom sessions. And it was like every Sunday, 4 times, 3 hours each. And it was just, for me, it was just a perfect time. And great also that it was once a week. Then you could like think about it for the next session and work on your homework and everything. And I don't know, it's just been great. I'm really grateful I signed up. Yeah.
It was great to have you. So can you tell a little bit, for me is like I take from your anecdote this time when we was doing some improvisation about emotion, create motion. And you was at your parents' house, and just tell us a little bit about it. Because for me, it was very interesting. Certain people told me like, oh, how hard it is to learn dance from home, and you know, and how isolated you feel. And so that's why I created this program. But tell us a little bit about this experience.
Yeah. So what I found out was really interesting since I mentioned earlier I've been taking Annabella's class for a year. And there was a huge difference in like doing it via Zoom. And you know, I could see all the participants, but when we were doing exercises, like Annabella was the only one watching me kind of, since the other ones were doing their exercise in their space in their homes. And so I felt like really free because I'm a shy person. And then I was in like my living room in my home, and I felt like I'm not going to be judged or anything. And it was just like almost like a private lecture since Annabella was watching me and I know her like so good. So I wasn't afraid of like showing anything or so. And it was just such an experience of being in your own house comparing to being in a studio because like that's my like childhood home. So I mean, it was that added up a lot of contrasts to it, and also just like doing improvisation in that environment that you know like by heart since you were a little kid, and creating something new, that was really like an unique experience. And then also when we were like doing those improvisations and then we were like performing for each other, it was so great, like just how moved you were just by looking at someone's like tiny screen, and you would really like you could see what you were trying to say, or you can almost like feel them, you know, just that connection. And it was really surreal in that way. I did not expect that at all, just from like Zoom calls, that you would feel that strong connection with the other students. So I really loved it. Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing this experience. And you have any question for me?
Oh, I mean, I love the workshops and I just want to sign up to more. And yeah, so I'm just checking out your schedule and see whenever like it fit my schedule. But I love that you offer like a lot of different workshops. So like you can always find something that fits in your schedule. And you know, we have a time difference here at 6 hours, but I mean, it works out good because yeah, so yeah, I'm not sure if I have any questions. Just like I'm probably gonna sign up soon for the next one. Yeah,
Well, thank you so, so much.
for sure.
It's a pleasure. I feel that the mentorship program is a platform to encounter and to don't feel alone. And I feel that many creators, many performers are feeling that. But I feel that as an immigrant living in United States, I've been Skyping and FaceTime for the last 10 years with all my family members, with all my friends around the world. So for me, this is a continuation. We wish that, we could travel, that we can, I can go to Sweden, you can come to New York, but in the meantime, why not to use technology and dance that unite us all? Yeah. So thank you so much, Angelica, and see you soon performing via Zoom.
Yay! Thank you so much. Bye.
Welcome.